Whoa.
And we're actually doing something we've always wanted to do. I think it's like a really cool family activity.
This is a pretty good spot, I think.
What if we walked into
This is the view. Welcome to the Algarve, everybody. We have left Lisbon and we've driven about 2.5 hours.
Yes.
Down south.
We had a little road trip. We were literally the parents and we had the kids in the back.
Who's ready for the road trip?
We're ready for the Algarve. Ready to go.
Forcing them to listen to our tunes.
And had to make a few stops and they were just asking when we were there. Classic parents in the front, kids in the back situation.
Are we there yet?
Are we there yet?
Are we there to the Algarve?
Yes. Are we?
Okay, that's good, thanks. But we are pretty much here for a week of just relaxation with the family. You know, your classic family holiday.
And I think the Algarve looks like the perfect place. We've just arrived at our Airbnb.
Let's give you guys a room tour.
It looks amazing.
This is where we are staying. So how it works is there's a kitchen down here for us. The owners live in the middle and we are on the top. And I think we found...
Hello.
Hello.
Oh.
I think we have found a little roommate.
Oh, hello.
Oh, so cute.
Oh no, we locked ourselves out.
Did we?
Yes. No. Alright, this is where our bedrooms are.
So we got mom and dad's room. We've kind of given the big one with the ensuite. And then what we have is 2 more rooms. So Cleo and Brody on there. We are in here. Here's our bathroom, which is pretty insane because we have a spa bath.
I did not expect that.
This is really nice how they've done it up. And then I'll show you guys our room. We have the pink room. And I don't know why she's putting this in here. This doesn't need to be here. And then this is our bedroom. This is the little neighborhood that we're hanging out in. And then in the basement, we have our own kitchen. This is nice, like a bit of a lounge room. And then she also has like an outdoor area. And this is the best bit. Like this place is humongous. She just showed us the hot tub. Decided to switch it on. This is warming up now. Oh yeah, that's getting good. Perfect for a family vacation. If you guys were interested, I'll leave a link below because I know a lot of you guys like to know where we stay on Airbnb. And if you've never used Airbnb before as well, I'll leave a discount code for you. But yeah, I think we need to go get some supplies. We're gonna go to the shops so we can cook up, which is nice because we've been on, you know, tours for the last kind of few months. So I think me and Jess are excited to just sit down, cook a big family meal for everybody. It's gonna be good. Hey everybody, how you guys doing today? We've just driven about 40 minutes out to Lagos, and the reason you come to the Algarve is because there are just insane beaches and a lot of them have these cool little caves to go and see. Some you can walk to, but another way is to jump on a kayak and kayak your way out to some of these unique little caves. So that's what we're gonna do today. We literally just found these guys just on our beach that we're at. Check them out. And we're off.
So beautiful.
Wow, and it's so flat as well.
Found everything in place. The birds were singing pretty songs. The sun kissed me on my face.
Why are you guys going back to land?
To be alive. Feels so good to see the light. I got time to start. I got a big idea in my head.
Guys, this is why you explore the Algarve by kayak. Whoa. I just love the coastline over here. Let's come inside our first cave. We just turned a corner and this whole secret beach just opened up. So we just pulled up our kayaks to this literal private beach. There's no one here.
There's a little area, I want to go swim to it.
Okay, our guide has pointed out a secret cave for us. Watch your head and go. Go, 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 go. Quickly! Watch your head, go under! Bobby, where are you? Oh, you did it! Whoa! And she's gone! Bye, Cleo! bit scary, but with our own natural pool, I think this is the only time you can come in here because otherwise you're swimming underneath there. Good morning everybody, it's the next day. We've come out to an area called Tavira. Of course with the Algarve there's quite a few stops that you can go along, so we highly suggest you get a car, but we started the morning.
We're at this like cute little fishing village and we found a little cafe right on the water.
Coffee, coffee, coffee. Can't start the day without the high.
Alrighty guys, we've come to Tavina Market here and we're actually doing something we've always wanted to do. I think it's like a really cool family activity. We're going to be doing a cooking class. So actually meeting our cooking lesson lady here at the market, our chef. We're going to be meeting her here at the market. We're going to be buying local produce and then going back to her farm and we're going to be learning how to make a local Portuguese dish.
So we actually have 10 minutes to spare, so we've come down to the little flea market which is in front of the actual food market. Oh my goodness, that is such a big fish.
See, we're just cutting it up.
So what's actually really cool is that we're walking around the local market here. They're just cutting up their fresh tuna, which they just caught from the marina just next to us. We're going to pick out some ingredients and then make some traditional, like South Portuguese food. So food typical for the Algarve. Oh wow, that is fresh.
Oh my gosh, he's still alive. Alrighty guys, we are now heading to her farm. It's only 3 kilometers away and then that's where we're going to be cooking our meal. Our Algarvian meal. Is that right?
Yeah.
Algarvian?
Algarvian. Ready to do some cooking?
Ready?
Alright, master chefs, take a seat. So this is the muchama, which is the chunks of the tuna, which we just picked up from the market before.
It's like basically dried out tuna. I'm trying to cut it in the thinnest slice as I can.
Jess, come
okay?
on. Thinner.
What?
Is our cheese dish, which needs to be slow cooked. 20 minutes on one side, 20 minutes on the other side. Put some different spices on there. We then warmed up some of the virgin olive oil with just chunks of garlic in there. So this is just going to sit for the rest of the cooking lesson while we prepare the rest.
You done it good.
Hey! Alright, there's 12 more oranges to do.
If I do it slowly, if I tip it, too much will come out in one go.
Oh, you're doing it good, Mum.
You go good. Keep on going when you lose.
This thing is smelling so good.
Wait, how do I flip it?
Come on, Jess.
Just a bit more salt, more vinegar, more pepper. Now it tastes pretty good to me.
Yeah, you did a good job. So we're now preparing the tuna. So we have some rocket, which we're going to place onto the plate. Yeah.
And then you're going to get your these. Then you go for 3. 1, 2, and 3.
Sorry if that just made anyone hungry, because that made me hungry. Oh well, we're going down here to try our meal that we've cooked. What a beautiful view. Well, this looks great, everyone.
Very nice.
Yeah. Let us know what it tastes like. I've never had this before. And we haven't really had processed meat in a while.
With cured meat.
Cured meat, yeah.
It's really
Sorry.
yummy. It's good with the orange.
Yeah? Alright, let's try the cheese. That's been cooking the entire lesson. Juice.
Oh my gosh, that cheese is yummy.
Yeah. What's everyone think of the cheese?
Yum. Oh my gosh, Steve.
Alrighty, so this is one of the most popular dishes in this region. You can go to just about any restaurant and order this, and we've cooked it ourselves. It's octopus salad. You got octopus, you got your tomato, we have just everything.
So octopus
Cold
good?
as well.
Cold and fresh.
Cold and fresh. This is perfect like food for the Mediterranean climate.
Oh my gosh, I'm so full.
That was very nice.
You guys enjoyed that?
You know, she was lovely. She really was.
The cheese was actually
Delicious.
So delicious and,
And-
so wonderful.
And Dad does not like
I
cheese.
really am
Oh,
not
really?
a cheese fan.
No,
I don't.
he's not. a
And he
cheese
likes
fan
that?
at all.
It actually tastes like chicken.
Well, I hope you guys enjoy that little fun activity. It's called Taste Algarve. I'll put all the details below. And yeah, it's a really fun family activity. And I think we learned some cooking tricks.
Yeah.
And we got to try some Algarve food. That was the
Yeah.
first time we tried local food here.
Yes.
It was so good.
And I think I'm going to prepare the cheese thing for you, Ashley and Heidi, when we come see you guys. This is a pretty good spot, I think.
Show them the view.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, look at it.
This is the view. Wow.
Like the postcard of Algarve.
You've got these cliff sides just here, and there's also holes in a lot of them, so it gives it a really unique look. But good morning, everybody. All right, so we've come to probably the most famous postcard shot in all of Portugal. I'll put the name up for you guys, because just like my Icelandic, Portuguese is not very good, but I can see why everyone comes here, because look at these insane views you get. So Portugal has a lot of these cliff sidewalks you can go on, and it's really nice because they've built these little walkways for you, so you can just walk past, enjoy the view.
What beach has its own little man-made cave? What? They've literally chiseled this out.
What? This is so cool. Well, it's another beach.
Yeah, like a little beach.
Oh,
I just love the beaches here, how they're just surrounded by cliffs.
yeah.
Yeah, it's like a little mini beach thing.
Oh, that's so nice.
It's so wavy today.
Yeah.
It's so different to yesterday. Oh my.
So welcome to Camilo Beach, everybody. It's like a 2-minute drive from our last spot, and I think we're just gonna hang out here with the fam and just
Chill out.
chill out on the beach. Dad is picking where we're going for lunch. Loves a good British pub meal, so we're here in Portugal. He's got his Sunday roast.
Monday or Sunday.
But Steve, you've never tried Yorkshire pudding, so
I know.
the first time you should try it should be Portugal.
Lovely.
No, I can't.
Thanks so
Wait till we get to England. Did you need to steal
steal a
some
chip
of our
back.
chips? I'm gonna take a couple of these back. Oh, yours are hot.
Thank you. Like we have a little captain.
Oh, we do. Good morning.
Alright guys, after we did all that amazing kayak tour, we knew we had to take Stephen's parents out. They need to see the caves. So we've taken them out on a speedboat. We're actually going to go past the kayaks that we were at the other
Oh
day.
yeah.
So that's what we did yesterday, or the other day.
We're going inside there, Dad. This is so cool coming inside these caves. This is as far as we kayaked the other day, so everything here onwards is probably all new stuff for us.
This is the Benagil.
Oh, there's people up there.
Wow. This is the most famous cave here in the Algarve, Benagil Cave.
Wow.
Look at that.
Because you can see the different colours. You got the giant hole here.
Very pretty.
Wow.
This is our last day here, and we decided to end it with food. This is way better than what we tried.
So,
Zelda!
Ah,
Sounds like Zelda.
to the Algarve. Algarve.
Green one and a yellow